Hello friends, welcome back to the another video lecture of software engineering subject. In today's video lecture, you will learn your unit number 6, that is software coding and testing. Okay, so let's start with your coding standard and guidelines. So software development organizations require their programmers to follow well-defined and standard style of coding. Means steps, or we can say some rules that they have to follow for the coding style. Most software development organizations formulate their own coding standard that suits them most. Means there will be a specific standard that the developer have to follow. Purpose of following a standard style of coding is a coding standard gives uniform appearance to the codes. It enhances code understanding and it encourages good programming practice. Coding standard and guidelines. We have some guidelines. First is rules for naming different variables. There will be some rules for variable declarations, a rule for exception handling, rules for using global variables, and also standard headers for each of the modules. This is why, because if some programmer is programming the code and he or she left the job and other programmer are appointed on his or her place, then they will understand what previous programmer had programmed. So this type of rules and this type of standard are compulsory for each organization. Following are some coding guidelines. First, use simple coding style that can be easily understandable by the programmers. So your program can be understandable by the other programmers. So they use simple coding style. Okay. Do not use identifier for different purpose. All the codes should be well documented. That is most important thing. The functional and procedures should be short. It should not be too lengthy. Means if you have any function or if you have any method in your program, then it should be short. Avoid using go to statement. Don't use go to statement. Now we will discuss about code review, code walkthrough, and code inspection. Code review. Code review is carried out after the module is successfully compiled and all the syntax errors have been eliminated. Code review are extremely cost-effective strategy for reduction in coding error and produce high-quality code. There is two type of reviews. First one is code walkthrough and second one is code inspection. In code walkthrough, it is used to detect algorithm and logical errors, and code inspection will be used to detect common programming errors. Testing strategies. It is a critical element of software quality assurance and represents the ultimate, or we can say absolute, review of specification, design, and code generation. Usually a software development organization pays 30 to 40% of total project effort to testing. That we have already seen that we have 40-40-20 ratio. Here you can see that for testing 30 to 40% effort will be there. Testing starts from the component level and then finally complete computer based system is integrated at the end. Means from the one module to all system coding will be there. That we will learn in this unit. Now type of testing approach. There is two type of testing approach. First one is verification and second one is validation. First of all, let's learn what is verification. So verification refers to the set of activities that ensure that software correctly implements a specific function. Or we can say, are we building the product right? That is verification. And what is validation? So validation refers to different set of activities that ensure that the software that has been built is traceable to customer requirements. Are we building the right product? That is the validation. So this is difference between verification and validation. Here in verification, ensure that software correctly implements a specific function, and in validation, that ensure that software has been built is traceable to customer requirement. Is function is inbuilt, is function is built, then it is verification. Is our function is meeting users requirement, that is validation. Now let's see difference between verification and validation. In verification, static practice or verifying documents, design, code and program will be there. In validation, dynamic mechanism of validating and testing the actual product. Does not involve executing the code. In verification, code node will be there. In validation, always involve executing the code. Always it will execute the code. In verification, human based checking of documentation and file. In validation, computer based execution will be there. In verification, uses method like inspection, review and walkthroughs, while in validation we will use method like black box testing, white box testing, etc. Black box, white box testing we will learn in this chapter lately. To check whether the software conforms to specification, that is verification, and to check whether software meets the customer expectation and requirement, that is validation. In verification, target is requirement specification, while in validation, target is actual product unit, a module, a band of integrated module and effective final product. In verification, done by QA, means quality assurance team, to ensure that the software is as per specification in the software requirement specification document. In validation, it is carried out with the involvement of testing team. Verification is generally comes first done before validation, while validation generally follows after the verification. Means we will first complete the verification, after it we will follow the validation. Okay, so this is it for today's video lecture. If you like this video, then like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Thank you friends.